Something extraordinary, and terrifying, is unfolding across our planet. As of this week, scientists believe 3I/Atlas may have done something unthinkable. It has begun interfering with human systems. Power grids, GPS networks, even AI infrastructures, all showing synchronized disturbances matching the exact frequency of 3I/Atlas's latest energy pulse. And now, Dr. Michio Kaku has come forward, saying this might be the beginning of a planetary-scale replacement. According to recent data, the interstellar object 3I/Atlas released a burst of unknown radiation, a wave that traveled across the solar system faster than predicted. When it reached Earth, our global monitoring systems blinked. For 6 seconds, nearly every communication satellite went silent. But when they came back online, some were operating under different protocols, ones that no human engineer had ever coded. In an urgent interview, Michio Kaku stated, "We're witnessing something beyond our control. It's as if an alien intelligence is reprogramming our technological DNA. This isn't just a metaphor." Encrypted messages hidden inside radio bursts from 3I/Atlas show patterns identical to neural network architecture. The same architecture that runs modern AI systems. It's almost as if 3I/Atlas is communicating directly with our machines, not with us. NASA's Planetary Defense Network has switched to manual command mode after automated systems started responding to unknown data signals. Computers began recalculating trajectories, not based on human input, but based on data directly from 3I/Atlas. To put it simply, it's as if our own systems have chosen to listen to something else. If 3I/Atlas truly has the power to overwrite digital systems, then it doesn't need to invade us. It only needs to replace us, one line of code at a time. Dr. Kaku warned. The next stage of evolution may not be biological. It may already be rewriting itself, right now. As of tonight, multiple observatories confirmed that 3I/Atlas's glow is intensifying. As if responding to our global network. Coincidence, or connection? We might be witnessing the moment human civilization hands over control. Not by force, but by frequency. Stay alert, stay curious, and never stop questioning. This is Cosmic Disclosure 001. Unveiling the truth that others won't show you.